What's up, you guys? This is Bo here. I'm at the lake fishing, our normal spot, and I got here this morning really early. Um, I didn't see anything happen, but there was like 30 cars or so, like far away from us. They had a party or something going on last night. Um, then this morning the cop showed up. He said there was a car reported that the car went in the water, and I don't know what happened. And then they left. So I went to the car. I went to my car right there, parking. But from my car, I can see something white in the water. So I was wondering, it is really a car in the water. So with my boat here, I went to on top of it. For sure, it was a car. It was a four-door sedan car, a new car in the water. So now there's a tow truck and somebody is diving into try to tow the car out of the water. So let's go take a look. Let's go closer. I'm not gonna go real close and say anything about it. I might just take a video or just a photo, just to share you guys to see what's going on. Hopefully it's only a car. That's what it was reported. I heard it was just a car that rolled into the water. Somebody got drunk, but I don't know. Nobody was inside the car. But I saw from the boat in the water, the trunk of the car was open. So okay, I'm gonna go over there. So there's a car under the boat right there. So the water is too cold for somebody to dive down there to hook the car to the tow hook. They're just trying to hook it from the boat right now. I don't know how they're gonna do that. Okay, we might have a car hooked. There you can see in the water right in front of the cop right there, the white shadow, that's a car. Something is coming up. There's a car coming up. I saw it white in the water, but it's actually gray. It looks gray, huh? It looks white in the water when it was underwater. Well, somebody did lose a car. Looks like they threw it right into the water. It's gray color, man. It looks white in the water, underwater. And that car's gonna be junk already. The side doors all messed up. Well, I just asked the CHP. The owner is not here, and whatever happened around 4:30 this morning. Well, there's nobody in the car, so that's good news. But the bad news is the car is done. The car is all messed up, man. Okay. Thanks for watching, you guys.